Welcome students to my channel. Today we are going to have a lot of fun creating a robot in Tux Paint. If you are new to Tux Paint, then let me tell you that it is a fantastic drawing program specially designed for kids. It is easy to use and has tons of fun tools. So let's begin. We will start with the face of the robot. For face we are choosing our shapes tool. You have variety of options here: square, rectangle, circle, ellipse, hexagon, heptagon, and many more. I am choosing the octagon tool. Coming to the neck, use your rectangle tool. Now coming to the body part, a bigger rectangle. Then we will draw our legs using rectangles. You can also draw the shoes using the rectangle too. Now coming to the arms of the robot, choose your line tool. Choose a thin brush so that the arms are drawn properly. Draw the hands using the circle tool. Now complete the face. You draw your eyes, nose, and the mouth using triangle and rectangle respectively. You can add more shapes so that your face part looks more attractive. To give it a look of an electronic device. Now you can add antenna on the top. Use your shapes tool. Now in your body part you can add rectangle where you can display some text. Like for example, I am writing here hello text we are displaying on the rectangle. You can add some buttons on the sides of the body. That completes your drawing of a robot. It is looking like a robot. Now you can add colors as per your choice. For colors, you can see the color palette at the bottom and you can use your fill color. Supposing I am using orange color for the face and also for the body. Then for buttons, I am choosing green color. For head part, I am using now yellow color. Also, I am highlighting the neck with the yellow color and the ear part. Hands, you can use color of your choice. If you wish, you can give yellow color. Color can be of your choice. Then coming to the body part, you can choose any color of your choice. This completes our robot drawing. You can save this drawing by clicking on save button. Once you have saved it, the next day if you want to see it, you can see it by clicking on open. See, your drawing is here. Now just now it is only saved in this software. If you want that it should be saved in your computer somewhere, then you can click on export. If you click on export, it will go to your pictures folder.